Alright boys, a couple of days ago, everything changed when the Grok Nation attacked, bro, because as you can see on my screen right here, there is panic in the streets, everyone's going crazy, every single Reddit post right here is basically complaining about the fact that Grok video is no longer free to generate, and if I go on over to the next tab, you can see right here, I've got a Grok Imagine tab open, which is going to type in Goku does a backflip, and you'll see exactly what everybody is seeing right now, where instead of being able to generate this for free, when you click to generate it, it's basically going to try and get you to sign up for the paid program. But obviously that's exactly why I'm making this video, because if you couldn't already tell from the title, I've searched wide and far, I've searched the 7 Cs trying to find the best possible method to still be able to generate free videos with Grok, and I think I've done exactly that. So first thing you're going to want to do is you need to head on over to a website called RoboNeo.com. It's very simple. I'll leave a link in the description just to make sure you're not clicking on any weird shit. But once you're here, there's going to be a button in the top right hand corner that says login, and obviously you're going to need to click on that. Now it's very important here that you log in with whatever email that you use and you have access to, so I'm just going to log in with Google and I'll be back in one sec. Alright, so as you can see, we're all logged in now, and the reason why I said that it's important that you have access to this email account and it's kind of like your main one that you use is because we're going to need to be able to copy this code right here and use it in the future. So make sure you just click this copy button, save it wherever you want to save it, and we'll need that for later on once I explain how to do this unlimited forever for however many generations that you want to do it for. But for now, we've saved that. We can click out of this. I'm going to show you guys the process that you can actually go through in order to generate videos with Grok. So the first thing you want to do once you're logged in is in the top left corner, there's going to be a button that says new project. You click that and you want to select the workflow option. Click home after you do that, and then it should open up a workflow kind of canvas, I guess. I mean, yeah, literally canvas. It says loading canvas. It'll take usually about 5 to 10 seconds here. And there we go. Now it'll be filled out with all this default stuff, I guess. You just want to delete everything there because obviously you don't want to generate whatever that was, bro. I don't even know. Then you're going to want to click this plus icon on the left side. And here is going to be where we need to drag and drop nodes onto the canvas in order to generate whatever we want to generate. So the first thing we're going to want to do is scroll down to where it says video creation. Then we're going to want to drag over image to video. Once you do that, it'll open up this little node right here. And as you can see, this is the first kind of thing that you can implement into your prompt, which is the image. But we also want to be able to implement text as well, obviously. But before we do that, we're going to select our model. And obviously the point of this video is to be able to use Grok. But keep in mind, you can obviously use all these other ones right here. So we're going to select Grok. And then you can obviously change the duration that you want and the resolution and stuff like that. Before we do that though, I want to drag and drop this text prompt into here so we can actually add text into our prompt. So you just drag that right there. It's pretty intuitive, pretty easy to do. But once you have the text dropped into your canvas, you want to drag this little string or whatever and connect it to the image to video so that the text is actually getting input into the I guess total prompt generation as well. Once we've done that, let's just fill in our prompt here. We'll just do another test. Goku does a backflip. Well, I think I've done this with like every video generation I've done on this channel. But then for the image, we'll just drag and drop this one right here. So then we've essentially got the prompt or the text prompt saying Goku does a backflip, and then also the image will be starting with using this as like a reference image, I guess. Now, one thing that I want to make clear, in the top right hand corner, you can see that I've got 70 carats or credits, whatever they call it. When you first open your account, you're going to get 50 credits, okay? And then you're also going to get 20 daily free credits. So keep that in mind. It's going to be useful, I guess, to think about later. But for now, you can obviously see that at 5 seconds duration, it's going to cost you 25 credits. And basically what this means is that for every second, it's going to cost you 5 credits. And just to demonstrate that, if we click on duration and we set it down to 1 second, it's going to drop down to 5 credits. And oppositely as well, if we make it to the max setting, which is 15 seconds, it's going to cost you 74 credits. So I guess it's 1 credit less, but that kind of just shows you roughly how much it's going to cost you depending on the duration that you want. We're just going to do, I don't know, a quick 3-second one. It'll cost 15 credits, but it's not going to matter because again, we can do it infinitely. Then for the resolution, obviously 720p is going to cost more. If you go down to, oh no, I guess it wouldn't. I was just assuming it would, but I guess why not just do 720p then? It costs the same amount apparently. And then once you've got all that filled in, it's literally as simple as clicking run right here, and it'll take usually about 30 seconds or so, obviously depending on your duration. So I'll get back to you guys once it's finished. All right guys, so it's literally just about to finish generating right here, as you can see. But as it's loading, I wanted to mention, if you have any problems with this or anything related to making money with AI or just AI in general, I will have a consultation link below in the description, so you can book a consultation with me, talk to me directly, And if I'm not able to help you, you literally don't have to pay a single cent. Right, so the Grok video just finished. Let's click on this. Let's make it full screen right here and let's see what it turned out. So we got Goku. Does the back. Hey, it even added the little wind marks and everything. Oh, that's actually a pretty good generation. I'm not going to lie. Yeah, Grok low-key went off right there. You can download it in the top right-hand corner if you want to, use it for whatever full video you're trying to create later on. But that's pretty much the entire process. Now you know how to generate the video with Grok, but you're probably wondering, okay, if it deducts credits every single time, then how is it possible for me to use it for free and all that? And I could go with the cop-out answer of saying like, well, you get 20 free daily credits, so technically it's free. And I wouldn't be lying, okay? But we're going to do something 10 times better than that. So what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to a website called tempmail.org. Make sure you're doing the right one, guys. I'll link it in the description so you guys don't have to worry that you're going to the wrong website. But once you're here, you're going to see this email that you've basically been assigned, and you can copy this email right here. Now, once you have copied the email, you want to head back over to RoboNeo and you want to click login again. Obviously, guys, keep in mind, this is assuming that you've ran out of credits on your main account. Then you're going to want to log in with another account, obviously, but this time you want to continue with email. And then we're going to just paste in the email that we just, got off tempmail.org. And then we're just going to want to put in a random password. It really doesn't matter because you're not going to use this account again. You don't want to put it in the login section. You want to put it in the register section. So we're just going to paste it again, create a password. Like I said, genuinely does not matter. Then we're just going to click register. After you click register, it's going to send a code to the email, the temporary email that you just put into this box, obviously. Don't know why it's taken a while to load right here. Right, so after you register the account, you're going to need to complete this little puzzle thing that you've probably done 500 million times on the internet, and then it's going to send you a code. Once it sent you the code, you want to head back over to the temp mail website, and then you're going to see, where is it? Right here. This is the verification code. It's going to take a second to open that up, and then we should have like a 5-digit code or something like that. 4-digit code. So we just copy that, head on back over, enter the code, click next. Pretty simple stuff, to be honest with you. But as always, leave a comment if you don't understand what's going on. Then it'll take a second. I think usually sometimes you have to refresh right here before you actually log in. And there we go. We've logged in right here. But that's not the end of it yet, because remember how I said that you need to make sure that you have the referral code from your original main account, okay? So we're going to see, right now we've got 70 credits, but if we redeem the invitation code right here, put in our original invitation code. You guys can use this, by the way, if you're just signing up right now. To be honest, it really doesn't matter to me, but use that if you want to. You'll get 50 credits, and then you click confirm, and you can see in a second here it'll update. Now you've got 120 credits. So essentially, every single account that you make with this temp mail website or whatever, you'll be able to get 120 credits, which will essentially get you, what's 120 divided by? You'll get 60 seconds worth of Grok video for every single account that you make. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how to use Grok for free and unlimited. It's the best possible way right now. Peace.